Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
If there's some network issue actually, लैपटॉप मेरा ओवर हीट होने से वो ऑटोमेटिकली शट डाउन हो जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज क्लियर. तो कहने का मतलब है इन मैटलैब वी कैन डायनेमिकली इंक्रीज द साइज. ओके, so next move on to the next command, which is again very interesting, which is called slicing. So suppose I create a matrix. Suppose the values of four space 5 space 6. So it creates 2 cos 3 matrix. ठीक है. And suppose I give the command like y bracket 2 comma space 3. Close this one. Close this one. Fine. So what will the output here? Now we are discussing about slicing of the matrix. Slicing means deriving, extracting the sub part of a matrix. Okay, this is for slicing of the matrix. Okay. So what is the answer? What is the answer here? So what actually we are doing now? You first treat as this one as a vector. So when I write 2, so it signifies that second row. Okay. Now second row में slicing करना है. क्या slicing करना है? 1 3. Okay, 1 3. So it will display the element of second row. In second row, the element 1 and 3. The probable answer will be 4 and 6. So what unexpected error? Yeah, the probable answer is 4 and 6. The answer is 4 and 6. So what actually happened? Let me explain. So this is my matrix. Okay, y, which is 1, 2 and 3. Fine. Next row is 4, 5 and 6. So when I given the command like x of 2, now 2 comma, जब भी हम 2 function bracket का 2 comma लिखते हैं, now it represents the row number. So now it's saying in row number print the sub matrix. Now what is the sub matrix there? The elements are 1 3. So when I write 1 3, that represents the sub matrix element 1 3 should be displayed. Now this element and this element needed to be displayed. So that is the function for that one. Okay. Suppose I want to display the element 2 and 3. So what would be the command for 2 and 3? So it would be function bracket 1 comma. Now the matrix 2 space 3. Now close this one and close the function bracket. So what would be the answer? Answer should be 2 and 3. Fine. Clear? Now suppose I say display the value for 5 and 6. So what will be the command for 5 and 6? What will be the command for 5 and 6? हमें बोल रहा हूँ 5 6 को प्रिंट करो. I required only element 5 and 6. ये बहुत जरूरी है आपको मैट्रिक्स स्लाइसिंग आना.
सर ये वाला समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ये स्टेप.
जो है
वाई पैरेंथेसिस,
ये जो है उसको मैट्रिक्स स्लाइसिंग बोलते हैं. ठीक है, स्लाइसिंग मतलब सब मैट्रिक्स या सब एलिमेंट को डिस्प्ले करना. ठीक है, अब मैं सभी एलिमेंट को डिस्प्ले नहीं करना, मुझे कुछ पार्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट को डिस्प्ले करना. ठीक है. नाउ सपोज दिस इज माय एग्जिस्टिंग मैट्रिक्स 1 2 3 4. नाउ दिस इज माय फर्स्ट रो, है कि नहीं? दिस इज माय सेकंड रो. Similarly, this is my first column, this is my second column, and this is my third column. Fine, agree? Now when I write x functional bracket 2, now what it indicates? What is indicating? Now it's saying start from the second column start from the second column. So what element you have to slice? Suppose I write 1, 3. So it's saying that start with the second column and slice. Or slice means display the element 1 and element 3. So what is the first element? First element is 4. And what is the third element? Third element is 6. So that is the reason the output of this command is 4 and 6. Similarly, if I write y of 1, comma 1 and 2 and 3. So 1 represents, suppose I write y of, this is also y of 1. That means in the first row, so what element you are needed? I am written 1 and 3. So what is the first element? Which is your 1. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, 1 and 3. What is the third element? The third element is 3. That is the reason the output is what is getting so 2 and 3, suppose. The 2 and 3. The elements are 2 and 3. Fine. The elements are 2 and 3. If I are taking 2 and 3. So what we are taking, the elements are 2 and 3. So what is second element? Second element value is 2. And what is third element value is 3. So that's the reason 2 and 3. ठीक है? अगर मेरे को डिस्प्ले करना है अभी 5 and 6 को लिखना है बस. So what will be the command? Now I want to display 5 and 6. So what will be the command? Yeah.
Y of 2.
Y of 2. Good. Now let me write.
Square bracket 2 and 3.
Let me write y of 2, comma, comma represent your, then matrix bracket 2
and 3.
3.
2 and 3.
Now let's see the answer. Yes, 5 and 6. Now suppose I want the element 1 and 4. Okay, now what element I want? 1 and 4. Now this is a slicing with respect to the row. This is a slicing with respect to the row. This is slicing with respect to the row. Now if I want 1 and 4, yeah. Is it audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. Now suppose I want the value 1 and 4. Okay. Now what could be the command? Now I have to slice the matrix with respect to the what? Column wise. Then what could be the command here? Now what I write? Y of, anyone can guess? Y of, yes, Y of, what will the answer? So it could be Y of, now read the first and second element. So the square bracket I will give 1 space 2, then comma, Now this is the first column, so I will put the first. Okay, so yeah, you can see one more. So what happened? So now with respect to y-axis, with respect to y-axis, हम तो y of now y-axis पे लिखने के लिए यहाँ पर number of which column, first column. Now what element you have to access? Now to access 1 and 2. So what is exactly? Now first column. Then suppose I want to access the value. Suppose I want to access the value 3 and 6. Then what could be the answer? 3 and 6. So it will be what? Y of what?
So 1 and 1, 2 or and 3.
1 space 2, okay, comma 3.
3.
Right? So answer is 3. So this is something about slicing of matrix in the row wise and the column wise. Fine. Now suppose what will be the answer here? Suppose y of 2 comma matrix 1. Yeah. What is the answer? What is the answer?
4, 5, 6.
There is 4, 5, 6. Then what will be the answer? Suppose I write comma 1 colon. What is the answer here?
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Okay, any other answer? Yes, any other answer?
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6. Yeah, the correct answer is 4, 5, 6. Now this column operator will be function as same. So means column operator को क्लास करेंगे तो क्या होगा? If I start class 1, 2, 3, it is nothing but what? 1, 2, 3. So this is same as the previous one. So basically, colon operator is used to reduce the size. Okay. So whenever you suppose इसका रियल एग्जांपल देखो, जब हम इमेज को ट्रांस रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ना, द मैट्रिक्स सुबह क्या होता? इट विल बी समथिंग अबाउट 256 क्रॉस 256 फाइन और 512 क्रॉस 512 और 1024 क्रॉस 1024 फाइन. अब मैं बोलूंगा एक पार्ट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स को इमेज को एक्सट्रैक्ट करो. ठीक है, तो मैं बोला कि आप 100 से लेके 200 एक्सट्रैक्ट करो. क्या मैं लिखते रहूंगा क्या 1 2 3 400? व्हाट आई विल डू? आई विल सिंपली राइट 1 कॉलन 100. लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं? सो व्हाट विल बी डू? सो इट विल एक्सट्रैक्ट सेकंड रो से 100 एलिमेंट तक वो एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगा. Getting my point? Why we are using column operator and why we are using slice string? आज समझ में?
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं इमेज दिया हूँ, ठीक है, नाउ पार्ट ऑफ इमेज को आपको बोल रहा हूँ उस पर प्रोसेस करना है. ठीक है, सपोज ऐसे एनलार्ज. So remember the water droplet image, very first class. So what we have done? So we have to zoom that image. So what I have to do? So first I have to extract this image. This part of image को extract करना है. So I have to entire image से इसको slicing करके निकालना है. Once I slicing this one, so some operation, some zooming operation are performed, so that this part of image only will be modified. And for that we will use slicing. Okay, fine. So your task is fine. So we will end our class here. Okay, so already 4, so we left with only 40 minutes. So your task is अभी उसको आप लोग नोट्स पे लिख के अपडेट करना है LMS में. ठीक है, क्या अपडेट करना है? ऑल द मैट्रिक्स रिलेटेड कमांड. सुनाई दे रहा सबको? Yes, it is audible.
Yes.
Yeah. So now you have to write whatever we discussed till now. Means how matrices are created, how vectors are created, how matrices are created, and what are the different functions we are using, and how colon operator is used, and how slice strings are done. All these things you have to write and submit in LMS. Now I'm creating an assignment. Okay, for मेस प्रोसेसिंग लैब में मैं एक असाइनमेंट क्लियर कर रहा हूँ वहां पर, जहां आपको अपलोड करना है. कब तक अपलोड करना है? 5 बजे तक. ठीक है, नाउ इट इज 4. विद इन 5 o'clock यू हैव टू अपलोड. ठीक है, जो लोग अपलोड करोगे देन आई विल गिव द मार्क्स फॉर टुडेज लैब. इज इट क्लियर? Is it clear the question? What you have to do? You have to write all the command that we have discussed till now. That means related to matrix, how to create a matrix, then what is the significance of colon operator, then how you can perform slice string. Slice string of matrix कैसे करते हैं वो लिखकर आपको LMS में अपलोड करना है. फाइन, LMS अपलोड करना है जब मैं अभी उसमें क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ. Clear? Okay. Is it clear? Say yes. So I can stop the
Yes, sir.
time. So time deadline is 5 o'clock. Within 5 o'clock you have to upload. Fine.
सर आज भी करना है.
आज ही करना है, अभी 5 बजे का. Fine. Any doubt? Any doubt? Anything else? So if there is a no doubt, so just I'm ending the meeting here. And do I check the LMS at 5 o'clock? So please update so that I can grade for your today's lab. So as you are already present, okay, so your 10 marks is considered here. So as we are interacted in the lab, so those who are answered in the lab, so for them 20 marks is considered. So rest 20 marks is when you submit your today's task. ठीक है, आज का टास्क आप सबमिट करोगे तो रेस्ट 20 मार्क्स आपको मिलेगा. फाइन. Okay, thank you very much.